Here's my honest review of EndoPeak. If you've been feeling low on energy, worried about performance in the bedroom, or just not like your old self as a man, you've probably already looked at a dozen miracle solutions. So let's talk about whether EndoPeak is actually worth your attention. For a lot of men, it's not just about sex. It's about confidence. Feeling tired, losing stamina, or struggling to perform can hit hard emotionally. You start questioning your body, your masculinity, and even your relationship. EndoPeak presents itself as a natural formula to support your sex life goals. Better stamina, more reliable erections, and an overall boost in vitality and energy, so you can feel more ready more often. The creator, Ethan Cox, talks about years of research and testing. The idea is to use pure plant ingredients and minerals in a formula that's strong enough to feel, but still gentle enough for everyday use. Inside each EndoPeak capsule, there are 8 main ingredients designed to support blood flow, libido, stamina, and hormone balance. The big picture: help your body work better naturally, instead of forcing it. Hawthornberry is there to support circulation. Better blood flow is a critical piece of healthy, natural erections and overall performance, so including a circulation-friendly ingredient makes sense. Tribulus is a classic in men's supplements, used to help maintain a healthy libido. It's not a magic switch, but it's meant to support your natural desire and drive over time. Epimedium and Tongkat Ali are there to support blood flow, performance, and overall sexual vitality. These are popular ingredients in male formulas because they're associated with energy, arousal, and staying power. Saw palmetto and magnesium are included to help support healthy testosterone levels and general male wellness. They're not synthetic hormones, but supportive nutrients for a more balanced internal environment. Chrysin is there as an antioxidant shield against oxidative stress, while wing tree bean is aimed at boosting natural stamina. Together, they're meant to help you feel more capable for longer. What I like is that EndoPeak focuses on multiple angles at once: circulation, libido, stamina, hormone support, antioxidants, and overall energy. It isn't just one ingredient making wild promises. It's a stack designed to work in synergy. What I don't like is when any supplement sounds like it can fix everything on its own. EndoPeak is still just that, a supplement. It won't replace a healthy lifestyle, communication with your partner, or medical advice if you have a serious condition. The testimonials talk about faster arousal, stronger erections, more stamina, and a huge boost in confidence. Some men say they feel ready much quicker, and that their energy in the bedroom feels more like it did years ago. But remember, results always vary from person to person. EndoPeak is meant to be taken daily, not just right before sex. It's a build-up type supplement, where consistency is key. You follow the directions on the bottle and let the ingredients support your system over time. In my opinion, EndoPeak is most suitable for adult men who want extra support for energy, erections, and stamina, and who prefer a natural, non-prescription approach. If you're expecting it to work like a prescription drug, you're approaching it the wrong way. The formula is marketed as non-GMO, plant-based, easy to swallow, and made in facilities following quality standards. That's reassuring. But if you have health conditions, take meds, or have heart issues, you should absolutely talk to your doctor first. Now, an important part of my review. If you decide to try EndoPeak, only get it through the official link under this video in the description. That's where you'll find the real product, the current offers, the bonuses, and the money-back guarantee, not some random copy or fake listing. So here's my final verdict on EndoPeak. It's a well-built, natural men's formula aimed at supporting erections, stamina, and overall vitality, as long as you see it as support, not a miracle. If you're curious and want to test it on your own body and your own sex life, click the official link under this video in the description and make up your own mind based on real experience, not just promises.